Hello everyone, in this video we are going to download and install Flutter on a Windows laptop. So let's get started. Open Google and then type Flutter, then hit enter. And here open this flutter.dev website and then click get started. And the platform type choose Windows and then app type should be Android. If you want to develop Android apps, then here you have to make sure that your device meets these hardware requirements. And then you have to choose here download and install and then download this .zip file. But before that, let's make sure a few things like the path where you will keep the extracted Flutter file should not contain any special character or spaces, or you make sure that you don't paste the extracted folder in program files. And then after in the end you have to set the Windows path in environment variables. Okay, so let's download the .zip file. Okay, so I have already downloaded it, so I'll cancel it. And now I have already extracted the .zip file also on my desktop, so I'll copy it here and I'll paste it in my C drive. It may take a few minutes depending on the laptop. After it is copied, pasted, and extracted, you have to open the Flutter folder, and then in the bin you have to copy the path. Then search for environment variables, advanced tab select. Then here choose this path and click new and paste the copied path, and then click OK. Then OK again, and then close this window. And now let's check if the Flutter is installed successfully. For that, open command prompt and enter Flutter here. Okay, now you can see it is downloading on the dependencies and packages. It means that Flutter is successfully installed. Thanks for watching and please subscribe.